Sammy ba Sammy Gyamfi, we are looking at him with an eagle eye. Mumie nyina yenye careful na asema me kan muntie ni. He went on a private mission.
Exactly.
He went out there. Maybe nim kwaso ni mani Agradaa no da.
Also nim no da. First time on motion.
Ana wayi sika every ne kaa mu no wakan no de amano. Ye musa ye ho Jesus Christ e bra man no koye yi no omo fu aba so omo koto abodo no. Wose mu hwan na onye bone da onto bo omo ba no. People ebinu ye nim kofo omo ye party bo omo tam $50,000 to bomb behind the scenes. Stop talking about it. Stop talking about it.
NPP,
my brother, we will not support this. My friend, I didn't. He who comes to equity must come with clean hands. Me, I will say it, and I don't care who owns his dog. Way is dead on arrival.
Sammy Gyamfi
is dead on arrival. It's dead on arrival. Nobody has the moral right to attack that young man. Me, first person, I'm Sammy Gyamfi on UTV. I hate bantu me no enya exchanges come blows. I'm telling you, that gentleman will be any will bet me other attacking on this particular matter. I'm telling you,
public official,
evidence is so real sika. Who evidence? Bring it out. Let the special prosecutor deal with him. Young man, Sammy Gyamfi too. More brakra $10,000 on yabi. What are you talking? $10,000 I say. More black run on your Sammy Gyamfi can have $10,000. What are you talking about? Nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. Nobody should go and attack the gentleman. There's nothing wrong. And I'll say it. Nothing wrong. And I will say it anywhere. There's nothing wrong.
On you see, idea about Kwayana.
Politics. You're careful. You're careful where we want to trade on. Gold board documents can see be a PO. Says sika bi ayira. Budget no almost about 50,000 euros. Ayira ma gold bi akopie baby. And we chase sika wa bontia. That is a lead. That is a lead. Some just what one yere nyaduma.
Minim na yere adwuma.
And that be two person chere say. Jai
minim na yere adwuma.
Mamon ko. That be me ka samwa. Yeah, presidential candidate Japan, Japan. Or then or Chessica man crofo or Renko school fees. Now there be a president. No be about no easy karma will be no be a coachano or ababe. We have to stop it right there. Stop it right there. Let's find an empirical evidence. Say Kwano, young man, what real dream baby our tear. What are you talking about? Munya we are be say me support
Debbie
why a young man atie or a young man wa di Muhammad chia bre and people want to vilify him to get his job out of him. No media obi koswa me de young men in whole country ano yi wa apologize wa who said the youthful exuberance no in the full glare of the general public in our culture. Maybe it's not good. We can vilify him on that grounds, but not.
And that's what we are talking about.
Well, but we shouldn't take it to that level. See, you need
But what is the chief of staff?
Sammy Gyamfi join chief of staff. We need the MWA. It's not going to help. Let the young man enjoy whatever. Let him enjoy.
What is President Mahama
code of ethics? Have you read the code of ethics?
Or say,
is there any proof to be a said yes, Sammy Gyamfi and it's against the code of ethics? Tell me, and I'll tell you.
Now, Obia, you say, men Jessica Crown nebo ebedu 20,000 as gift.
There be no GBB or J. And
now, say, what me for BB sana.
Now, maybe we say a question say, Sammy Gyamfi to 2% chess on 10,000 Ghana seats and 20 Ghana 20,000. What are you talking about? Ye Jenica, go and check his salary. Nyoma, the man on it, Nyoma Onyao. And why your politics what dear Chila Quabeya, a bunch of medical TV, so Land Cruiser, no use Land Cruiser back, say, or to opposition about no Land Cruiser they buy. Menaka radio so bad 10,000 we should Land Cruiser. What are you talking about? President Mama on your Jumacra, President Mama to become $10,000 man. What are we talking about here? My brother, Mummy and Yai Sadiano, Mummy and Yai, Mwa, a brantiano. Wa bresa oppositions afena wa benya baby asha se bi obesan kwan kakra na busu afonso a benefit yenko ehon ya kunsun ni eyinti wakasa ti ankrofo yes on corruption base and I agree on those people who think they can go, but it hasn't got to that level.
Yes, Sisi Adapa there by. Obia who says Sisi Adapa ko wieska. But the way you can't
compare oranges with apples.
And they say
here is a case where a minister of state sika bebre asho no akọ report to ama police. Na police case abem na ye kana evidence abana special prosecutor abem na be public domain here can one say it's a different thing altogether. Don't compare oranges to apples. There's a difference. Na sabi Gyamfi sika she nem pass e no aso obi awia e ba ko report no o che sika o ti ase there we have an issue. Special prosecutor comes in we okra gold board the amount sika do so po say nti that amount of money in cross watch $10,000 $20,000 my brother fatun chain enye issue. It's not an issue. That boy can ada menen afro plane menen ni hopes in adoye ye call UN General Assembly ye full ye opposition time not the business class na ye the economy. What are you talking about? Yeah, what bem near the economy. Yeah, what bem no or ye lawyer not yet the economy no the business class. What are you talking about? Business class I say. Bro, to me I think me Ubusana as a political strategist. This is a dead on arrival. And we cannot capitalize on this to score political points. Oh, party move, dere. Now no mimi abronya. One thing some of the country Africa and Japan who are. Yet me and no you can't want one baby a big quackery. Jai, young call, young deal with internal matters. Young solve your problems. You want to say more Casanti. I say your friend who just so hand time for your home. Me say, one just so hand time for your home. Kobusa Santini bi otitwi no nkyere wase ese me Owusu Bempah ma betra so se asem a ye kodi Sammy Gyamfi asem ye bi a chodum hu ye fe no dwaso hantan fi areho efie nwoye wo sore ba beka so obi chai efie nwoye ba yesemo pe unity ntima mo nkasa unity ni sese yen kasa ni sese mintiase na